Hello friends, welcome to Efficient Learning World. So in this video I am going to explain you about an extension that is picture in picture extension. For example, I am giving you a scenario. Let's say you are opening VS Code and you are coding something and you are following some video or tutorial. Let's say this is the video. Find the second maximum number in an unsorted array. So let's say I'm doing some coding and I want to follow the tutorial, but I have to again swipe the screen, you can say, like again move to this screen and again move to this screen by following which steps are done by the person, because I can't copy. So how to avoid? Or let's say I'm giving another scenario. For example, you are doing some coding or whatever you are tasking, you are performing some task, you want to watch a video like a funny stand-up comedy or whatever, and you want to view the video as well, but don't want to conflict it with another tabs or another screen. So how you can do it? So simple is you will go to this new tab and then enter picture in picture tab, and then this in Chrome web browser you will see the picture in picture extension by Google, and this is totally free. And then you just have to add it to your Chrome extensions, and from that when the extension will be downloaded, you can see here the extension is download. So simple is what you have to do is click on these extensions, and then this is picture in picture extension, and you can also pin it not to again open the menu. Just you can click on by this. So just click on this, and then this will open the video in picture. Now whatever screen I am, it will open the picture in the video in a picture. So if I move to left or right, let's say, it will be still available on my whole screen, and this will not conflict. Let's say I'm on this one, so this screen will still be there. So this is a simple extension, you can use it so to avoid any other whatever your task you are performing. So this will be overlay onto your screen, and then this will not conflict with other tabs or other screens, and while opening the video, while opening your other work, you can still watch the video. Let's say I want to
ठीक है।
watch
अब
this
इसके अंदर
video,
से हमने मैक्सिमम
so
सेकंड
I
आगे
can
मैक्स
again back to the tab. So thanks for watching this video.